Hello students, welcome you all. Now I am going to tell you next topic of relation, that is composition of relation. If A, B, C are three non-empty sets and R and S are two relations from A to B. A to B means relation R and B to C means S respectively. Then we define a relation from A to C which is denoted by R composition S. This is small o. This is the notation of composition ROS. Here we can see A to B is R, B to C is S. Then a relation A to C is known as ROS. This is composition. In mathematically, we can write ROS equals to XZ. There exists an element Y belongs to B such that XY belongs to R and YZ belongs to S. So we can also see students, if you have two ordered pairs, suppose AB and BC, if it is same, this is first second element of first order pair and first element of second order pair, if it is same, it means for while making composition we have to write AC. Then we will write AC. For this we will see in this question as an example. Find out the composition of relation when three sets are given. It is possible only when three sets given, four sets given. Now suppose A is 1, 2, 3, B, P, Q, R, and C is X, Y, Z. A relation is defined R, capital R, that is 1P, 1R, 2Q, and 3Q. And second relation, capital S, that is PY, QX, and RZ. Means three ordered pair in relation S and four ordered pair are in relation R. To find out, now to see how to find out ROS means R composition S, as you know by definition. So students, if you are writing ROS means first you have to take R. It means we will choose first order pair, that is 1P. I will try this 1 comma P to all these three which I shown in this example. 1P, that is PY, क्योंकि S has three ordered pair PY, QX and RZ. So 1Pi and PY, since it is same, you can compare B, AB, BC. BB is same, so you will write AC any 1Y. Similarly, first element is same, now you have to try for second order pair any 1P and QX. Since it is not same, so leave it. We will not write in our relation. Third, 1P RZ, since it is again not same, so leave it. So in this we will find only one relation, that is 1 comma Y, first order pair. Now we will try second order pair, that is 1R. To again these three elements I have solved it in this example also. Now we are trying to taking 1R, same process, 1R and PY. This is not same, no order pair. 1R QX, no order pair. 1R and RZ. So students, only this thing, this order pair you can find 1 and Z. So 1 and Z will be the order pair. Similarly, we will try this for next order pair, that is 2Q. 2Q, this is the pair of SPY, no. 2QQX, it is same 2X, same 2QRZ, no. Hence we can find only 2X. Similarly, the last pair, that is 3 comma Q. 3Q PY, no. 3Q QX means 3X. 3QRZ, it is not same, so no. So while in making composition of ROS, we can see ROS equals to 1Y, comma 1Z, comma 2X, comma 3X. This is the ROS students. If you want to make SOR means you will first write S, then you can use it relation R while making composition of SOR. So I think it is clear to all of you. Now I will solve second problem. Find out ROS. This is ROS by matrix method. Now it is mentioned here by matrix method. So again there are three sets given. A is 3, 4, 5, 6, P, Q, R, S, C is X, Y, Z. And a relation is defined. R, it is already defined. R 3P, 4S, 5P, 5Q and 5S. And S is QX, QZ, RY and SZ. And so ROS, same process. While you can check in your previous problem, you can write means 3P को आप इन सब के साथ try करें. 4S we can try all ordered pair. 5P we can try all ordered pair. 5Q we can try all ordered pair. And 5S we can try all ordered pair. then this will be the composition in ROS. So this is the basically final answer. But in our problem, it is mentioned find out ROS by matrix method. So students, basically this is the arrow diagram. If you want to know okay, how we can make arrow diagram, so this is A set, B set, and C set. A to B, this is relation R, and B to C, this is relation S. So R is given 3P. Means we arrow diagram means we have to show by arrow 3P, 4S, 5P, 5Q, and 5S. So this is the notation of arrow diagram via relation. Similarly, in case of S में आपका P, what is QX? This is QX. What is QZ? This is RY and it is SZ. Student, this is ROS through arrow diagram. This is one of the notation of relation. Since here we want to solve it by matrix method, so student, as you know, in matrix method, when a relation R is given, we can write MR. MR, that process will be same. We can check where the ordered pair is given. We can put 1. If it is ordered pair is not given in the relation, we will put 0. So similarly, you can see in your previous relation R 3P, 4S, 5P, 5Q, 5S. So we will put only 1 where we can see these types of order pair. So this is, you can see here, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, PQRS. 3P is given 1, relation order pair given है 1, ये सब 0. 4P, 4Q, 4R, it is not mentioned. 4S is given, that is 1. So this is the way to write by matrix method. 5P given, 5Q given, 5R is not mentioned, so 5S is 1. Similarly, 6P, 6Q, 6R, 6S is not given here, so we can put 0. So similarly, MR, this is our, basically we can say relation matrix R. Same process, relation matrix S, MS, PQRS and XYZ. Same process will be PX is not there, PY is not there, PZ is not there. QX is 1, QX is given, so it is 1, QY is 0, QZ is given, so it is 1. RX not given, RY given, so 1, RZ is 0. Sx is not given, Sy is not given, Sz is given, so it is 1. So students, as you know, matrix multiplication is possible. Then second all, when MRO, that is MR into MS, first we will see this condition, you know, when matrix multiplication is possible. So after multiplying, this is MR matrix, this is MS matrix, you will see the same. This is 3, any x to z. A to B, B to C, you have to find out A to C. This is A mat, this is C. So same pair you can find, which is Z 5x and 5z. So this is the ROX. So student, this is one of the way. If it is mentioned in your question, find out the relation by matrix method, then you have to use this method. Now, some objective problem is also there in relation. You will see there are so many problems. Suppose if a relation matrix is given by this MR, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 set XYZ, then how to find out matrix complement relation and its inverse. So students, you must know while writing complement, you have to replace always 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. So that will give you matrix MR complement. So that is 1, 2, 3 XYZ, replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. You can find matrix relation complement. Second problem, that is inverse. Inverse, as you already know, we can write transpose of the matrix MR relation. So MR inverse, that is 1, 2, 3 XYZ. While writing it into transpose, you can see this is the 1x, 1y is not there, 1z, 2x, 2y is there, 3x and 3y is not there, 3z is there. So this will be the MR inverse. So students, you must know these types of objective problem. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. Thank you. Thank you all.